our 12th Computer Science CBSE syllabus. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Don't forget to share this video. Today we are going to write the program in Python. Snippet 6. Read the question. Display a file size and remove trailing and leading spaces along with EOL character. So for that, they asked us to find the file size. To find the file size using length function, we can find the file size. To remove EOL leading and trailing spaces, we have to use strip method. So whatever the operation you are going to perform on the file, first the file must be opened. So let us take one example. I have one file and I have created using editor s.txt file. Inside this txt file I have hello and then hi. So I am going to read this file. So for that, first you have to open this file. F equal to open and then name of the file is s.txt. If it is in C drive, you have to mention that path, otherwise it will take the current directory. Comma, this file will be used for reading purpose, so you use R here. So you want to read this file, using a read function, you can read this file. So first take this file handle. Which operation you are going to perform? A read operation. So using read function, we can read all the contents from this file, and that contents will be stored in a variable L. Next one, remove the spaces and find out the size of the file. To remove the spaces, we have a strip method. So all the contents in the L variable, L.strip will remove these spaces. And then after removing the spaces, find out the length of that content, length of that file. And then it will return the length of this file. So that will be stored in a variable size. Initially, the size must be assigned to a value 0. If you forgot to assign this value 0, then garbage value will be assigned to this size. So first assign size equal to 0. After finding out the length, you assign this value to the size. Next, we know the file size. Now it is in the variable size. So print, to display that, we have a print statement. The length of the file will be in the variable size. You have used an open method, so it is necessary to close that file. Snippet 7. Read the question. Reading the complete file in a list. To read a file, we have three methods: read, readline, readlines. Read will read the utmost byte. Readline will read the particular line. Readline will read the complete file and store it in a list. This is the difference between the three methods. Okay, here they ask you to read the complete file in a list. So last method you have to use readlines method. Okay, this is the name of the file s.txt. So we are going to read this file. So for that, how to write the program? First open the file using file handle. F equal to open method will open the file, and then, so what is the name of the file? That s.txt, that should be enclosed within double quotes. So for what purpose you are going to use this file? For reading purpose. So write character R within the double quotes. Next, here I am going to use readlines method. to read a complete file and store it in your list. So we are going to use which method? Read lines method. So using file handle only you can read that file and store it in a variable L. Now print the content using print statement, print of L. And then you are using an open method, so it is mandatory to close the file. F.close. Method will close your file. Okay. Program 5.1. Read the question. Write a program to display the size of a file in a bytes. In previous program, we studied how to remove the EOL characters, leading and trailing spaces, but they have not mentioned in this program, so no need to use this strip method. So first start with file opening. We know that we have a file s.txt file, and then inside that we have an content hello. So first open this file using an open method. F equal to open, and then what is the name of the file? s.txt. It will be used for reading purpose, so write here. Okay. Next, you are going to read the content. They didn't mention the lines, so you are going to read the content. Read method will read the contents. So F.read method will read the contents from this file. It will be stored in L. And they ask you to display the size of your file. To find out the size of your file, we have a special function, len function. Using len function, you can determine the size of the file. And then this will be stored in a variable size. Initially, it must assign with a size equal to 0. Now, they ask you to display using print statement. You can display the size. And here, open method is used. It is necessary to close the file. F.close method will close that file. Program 5.2. Read the question carefully. Write a program to find number of lines in a file. So we are going to read how many lines are present inside this file. Totally 2. You have to print that value 2. First the file must open. F equal to open. Method will open that file. What is the name of the file? s.txt. It will be used for reading purpose. So write R here. Next, you are going to read a line. So better use read line method to read a particular line. F.readLine method will read the particular line and then store it one variable called L. Next, how many lines are present inside this file? 2 lines. To get that 2 lines, use length function to determine the number of lines in that file. Len of L will determine number of lines present in this file. So here I am using a count variable to get that count. Initially it should assign with count equal to 0. Otherwise it will take the garbage value. Next, here we are using open method, so you need to close that method. Before that you have to print this count. Print count will display the number of lines present inside this file. And then using close method, you can close that file. The output for this file is, totally we have 2 lines. It will produce the output as 2. Let us move on to the next topic in our next video. Thank you.